remix again. Come on. I think I want to remix again. Come on.
This goes out to my Brooklyn crew, representing on the freaky bitches. Fuck them all day, fuck them all night. We don't love these hoes.
I want to remix again. I think I want to remix again. Come on. Bad Boy, 9-8, D.I.G. Come on. Greatest. Come on.
I go on and on and on and don't take them to the crib unless they boning. Easy, call them on the phone and platinum Chanel cologne and I stay dressed to impress, spark a bitch's interest. Sex is all I expect as they watch TV in the Lex. They know, 4:15, left the club tipsy, say no more, except how I'm getting home tomorrow. Caesar drop you off when he see his P.O. Back in my mind, I hope she swallow. Man, she spilled the drink on my cream wallows. Reach the gate, hungry just ate. Riffin', she got to be to work by 8. This must mean she ain't trying to wait. Conversate, sex on the first date. I state, you know what you do to me. She starts off, well, I don't usually. Then I whipped it out, rubber no doubt. Step out, show me what you all about. Fingers in your mouth, open up your blouse, pull your G-string down south. Threw that back out in the parking lot. Buy a Cherokee and a green drop top. And I don't stop until I squirt, jeans, skirt, butt naked, it all works. I remember we went to Tennessee, then we came home. Mad messages was on my phone. Bitch named Simone, screaming, she fiending for the semen. Me being the man that I am, took her to her condo. Pronto, half Indian, I called the Tonto. Roll a cron in the dark fronto. Few puffs, eyes got low, and off to the bedroom we go. Sex is drama, head is trauma, rip pajamas, I'ma stay till tomorrow. Satisfying all my needs twice, with some whipped cream, handcuffs, and ice. The bitch is nice, word born, can't wait to put my niggas on. What? Ladies, my Mercedes, hold phone in the back, two of the fat, keep a gap. For cats who try to test me, they just fans like De Niro. Let's see, the bitch I'm waiting on. Gaudier jeans look like they painted on. Ask P, leave it up to me. Lay her on her back ever so gently. She like the way the dough fold up, rolls roll up, crystal till she throw up. Bitch grow up, hold up, here's De Janeiro. Drip to death, iceberg Perro. Goes without speaking, call me C cause I keep one. We could go freaking all weekend, so rollin'. Ain't it good that my legs keep folding? So all you bitches wanna fuck with me, freaking you bitches like Jodeci, if I was dead broke you wouldn't notice me, so I stick dick how it's supposed to be, so all you bitches wanna fuck with me, freaking you bitches like Jodeci.